So I come in here to check on this guy because he's been giving me issues for 2 days now trying to print these little trays. And then I say, oh, yeah, I should probably put filament in this or else I'm going to lose 8 hours of print time. So I didn't even realize the filament was that low. I thought this was going to make it. So yeah, I don't have this color. So we're using SUNLU gray blue. Replacing this. This is Inland Egyptian blue. This color looks amazing. Definitely going to pick up some more of it. It's been a while since I've done a running filament change, so why not? We good? We're good. Alright. We're good. Alright. Egyptian blue to SUNLU gray. We'll see how it looks. These are diamond painting tray holders.